Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited today. I'm going to do a trade with one of my subscribers, Betty. She has a plant that I've been wanting and she wanted to do a trade, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to be giving her it's not a cutting because it's rooted, but some of my variegated string of hearts, some of my lipstick plant, my curly lipstick plant, and then a piece of my tricolor Hoya carnosa. I hope she likes them. I will show you what I get from her as well. I'm here at Betty's house, one of my subscribers. She invited me over and did a little trade, and now I'm just touring her backyard, and she has beautiful succulents and plants. She makes these as well. Some are concrete, some are a different material. How gorgeous. These are fake, but they look so cute, that arrangement. So now I'm just walking around, enjoying her plants. Some ivy, some aloe. This one is gorgeous. I don't know the name of this. I'll have to look it up on her Instagram. White water, something like that. So gorgeous. I'll go over here. These are her Hoyas. I'll get in there closer too. Some Sansevieria. This is her Hoya crinkled 8, I think, something like that. So pretty. This one too. This gorgeous one. A lot of these I don't even have. How pretty. A string of pearls that is nice and long. Another Hoya. This one she said is her one of her newer ones. String of watermelon. Her baby toes. Little Sansevieria collection. That's a moonshine. I have this one too. She makes all of her macrame, which is awesome. I told her she has to give me a little tutorial. And these I have yet to see in person, but those are the string of dolphins. So cute. Portia. That little macrame is so cute. Her donkey tail, which is blooming. So cute. I think those are very Higgins. A lot of jade. Such a beautiful collection she has that I'm enjoying seeing. Some copper spoons. That cactus I told her looks amazing. Her little herb garden. And cactus. She has a beautiful indoor selection too, or collection. So I'll take you in there too. How beautiful. Okay, let's move on to over here.
construction worker.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and he's going to build me a green.
Oh, nice. Can I have one too?
No.
Pretty ruby necklace. Just beautiful arrangements here.
You can build anything great. Let me see what else I want. Oh, I need an apple. Can you make this a living room for me? I put plants everywhere.
Yeah,
Those need help.
These ones?
The wheelbarrow ones. Yeah, I'm redoing those.
Those look awesome though.
Out.
They look awesome.
That was like my propagating. Watch out.
Mommy?
We don't need
Small
to
four. Yeah, Bubba.
Jill, I'm going home with all your plants.
Let me show you something over here.
Huh?
Let me show you something over
Okay.
here. Can I buy this for my room?
Oh, I asked him if he wanted that.
What is
They're cute. They're like cubes.
Oh.
You know, I could walk for
Yeah?
use them as for plants.
I know, I'm
I'm
like,
gonna watch one of your videos. I'm
gonna
like,
be
hey,
all in the
that was for your
backyard?
son. That was for your son.
you know, I'm actually might work for his outside toys.
Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna keep an eye on it.
I'm like, those are his plants.
So now if I could put a little bit like this.
Yeah.
Your collection is
He looks like a
beautiful.
patient. Get your patient.
My son over here. You okay, Papa?
A patient.
That's a nice little lounge chair.
Yeah. That's where I put all my patients.
When they come over,
They get bit.
when they get bit by your dog.
Actually, you're the first child.
Oh, he's okay though.
Sorry, I feel so bad.
For what?
For what he forgot? He forgot
I
already.
couldn't even tell
He
you.
for-
I what?
Oh my gosh,
They're really bad about what?
these are
The
beautiful.
dog bit you. I feel really bad.
He forgot already.
Are you over it? Are you like, I'm a construction worker. I'm over it. Yeah, because you're tough. He's like, wait a minute. I need more plants.
I'm like,
work
give
it.
him.
I know. I'm gonna work it. You're gonna be like, son, limp.
Limbo your way out of the. Get plants in exchange. Oh my gosh, you have so many beautiful plants.
Oh, he wants a blanket.
Jonathan, stop it.
You're good. I like you. I like the way you work it.
So beautiful.
Yeah, I love the way you work it.
But I'm
Getting
getting cold.
cold. We'll put your pant leg down right now.
Well, yeah, the ice is probably making him cold. Let me see, patient. How are you doing today?
Go to
Well, I think it went
Oh,
away
sure.
completely. Oh gosh. Just keep it there.
Is this a lemon lime or a neon?
Neon.
Is it a philodendron? Oh, okay. I know it's like
I
a.
do have one in the house.
There's like both.
Philodendron?
Right?
I have
Yeah.
one in the house. But it hasn't grown because it.
This is her indoor collection. Is this a vine? Oh, nerve.
Nerve plant.
Nerve plant, yeah.
You want to give him
So
one?
pretty.
Like this on your palm, okay? Flat palm. Yeah.
Peace lily.
Flat palm.
Monstera, Adansonii. Looking gorgeous. It's a blue
That's a
Sea-
sea blue.
sea blue. Oh, it's pretty too.
Is that his favorite food?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, all your macrame.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here, let me.
Oh my
Just
goodness.
take little pieces, okay, and put it flat on your palm, okay? I don't know. You want out? I can't. Let me see. Okay, go out, Max.
Poor said philodendron. This is a philodendron, right?
Yeah, I want that one. So
I will
get it
keep
and
an
I'll
eye
just
out.
pay you, you know.
I will keep an eye out for that for you.
Go. Oh, God. I'm trying to play. Oh, God.
Are they nipping you too?
No, well, he barely has teeth.
So beautiful, your plants.
Oh, this one. Oh, my sister got me this one. She said, don't even ask where I got this. She went driving 30 miles and bought, it was 2 baby ones. Then I went and left it out in the sun, so it got all messed up.
And then you like replenished your collection. You have so many now, huh?
Yeah,
Those ones.
and I called the guy that I got them from, and he got back to me. He goes, when I get them in, I will let you know. But I don't know, I can't rely on him.
So beautiful. Oh, and they got a African mask?
Yes,
No,
I
don't call
just
that.
took off 2 leaves because they were
Not
brown. Yeah. And then my Monstera. It's doing okay.
Oh, your Monstera. It's beautiful.
Small when I got it. I got it at $16.
For this one over here?
My Monstera, yeah. Because it was small, you know, at the time.
Yeah.
It was small.
I think I got mine for like $10, but it's not even like
Yeah.
splitting yet. Yeah. That one's gorgeous.
Yeah, and then my Hawaiian spider plant. I love that.
This one?
Yes.
Look at those babies.
Yeah. And then my little diva
I
plant.
can't wait for mine to have babies
Want
like
a
this.
treat, honey? Let me see. Let's see what I have.
Your girl right over here.
I
They're so pretty.
have a granola bar. Do you like these? You do?
Get bigger for this
Sit on
one.
the table right here.
I love this.
You want to spill
Gorgeous.
so
Yeah, it's super curly, and the leaves are like just beautiful.
long,
Oh,
viney, yeah.
Some more of our Adansonii.
I got this at Roger's store.
Beautiful.
Almost needs watering.
Alright friends, so to end this video I wanted to show you what I got from Betty. It's a Monstera and it's pretty large, this piece, and it's, let me get in the sun here, and it has all these roots that I'm gonna let it acclimate to my house, and then I probably will pot it up. But it looks so nice in this little, sorry about the blur, let's see if I could get it to focus. It's focusing on the water. Yeah, it's pretty large and I love it. Thank you, Betty. It was so nice to see your garden and all your plants. I'm so excited about this guy and it's looking beautiful. I think it likes its new home. I hope it does well for me like it did well for you. And I just want to say thanks, Betty. Thank you for letting me tour your garden. And yeah friends, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.